Good morning, everybody. Well, the median price has officially risen to $450,000 for Las Vegas. Oh my goodness. Well, it is what it is. And it looks like we've got 515 single family homes that are active in that price range, 450 and under. And we listed 34 yesterday. So the new normal, always changing, always changing. We have 22 days of inventory. Looks like somebody didn't turn off the TV. Hang on. Okay, it's gone. Jeez Louise. So 276 high rises, 223 condos, 1,856 single family homes. And that's down from yesterday. Let's see. Let me look at my notes. Yesterday we had 1927. So that's because y'all put 109 under contract. Holy moly. 134 total under contract yesterday, 112 closings, and 114 just listed. So let's see, yesterday, so you're selling 112 homes a day. We have 22 days of inventory. Keep listing those homes, just keep listing. We did 784 sales so far this year, which when you do the math, that's 112 daily sales. And we're down 25 a day from last year. So first-time home buyers are out of the market pretty much, I would say. Have to do some more research on that one. But anyway, the investors are doing 38% of our sales. So they understand that the cash flow on the price and the rent are going to have increased. So that's why they're doing 43 sales a day. And like I said to Jimmy yesterday in class, that really hasn't changed this year. They've, I think November, December, they saw the light. At least the mom and pops. Now the institutional investors have been, they've continued to be there. But now we're adding more mom and pops. So anyway, we need people moving here. They need a place to live. So it's all good. The $1 million homes are jumping up there. We've got 4 a day now. We're almost to where we were last year, which we knew that was going to happen. And that's the tale of the tape for today. So the big news is 450,000 is the new median price. And I showed you yesterday how you do that. You take all the single family homes and you go right in the middle. I think we said there was that sold. And you go right in the middle, and that was that sweet spot of 456 or 450. We're rounding it down a little bit. And I noticed on the news this morning that they announced the 450 as well.